Are you tired of having to write down information?
Brutal blisters.
Pointless pencils.
And constantly having to get up and sharpen them?
Toss those suckers in the bin and say goodbye to the old way of life.
We say it's time for a change.
Are you a woman?
You know what it's like having to do constant housework.
Are you ready to get out of the house and into the office?
We say it's time for a change.
With the typewriter, I'm no longer suffering from chronic hand pain.
No more need for atrocious chores. I've got the typewriter waiting for me at the office.